Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel gulfinsight.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can apply for a UAE 5 years multiple entry long-term tourist visa. Recently UAE has announced a new long-term tourist visa which is valid for 5 years. You can apply whether you are from any country. There is very simple steps. The link for this website is available in my video's description. You can check the link. In this video I will show you how you can apply from ICA website. So this is the interface of this website. You can check the link in my video's description. So what you need to do, first of all you need to provide your name. What is your name? No issue, like suppose my name is Gul Khan. Okay, this is not my name, but I write this in English. Automatically it will convert in Arabic. Then you need to provide your mobile number. In which country you are living, you can provide that mobile number. So let's suppose we are providing this UAE number. No issue if you are living in the India or Pakistan or any country from the world. You can provide your home country's phone number. Then you must provide a valid email address. Email address is most important. You need to provide a valid email address, in which email address they will send you the confirmation and everything and your visa copy. So you need to provide a correct email address. Let's suppose I'll provide any dummy email address here. I'll write preferred language, which language you are preferring. If you are Arabic, belongs from Arabic country, you know Arabic, you can select Arabic, or otherwise you can select English. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is unified number. Okay, no need for this. This is not mandatory field, so leave it. Then you need to select the department. Department means you need to select the states from where you want to apply for this multiple entry 5 years multiple entry tourist visa. Well, let's suppose we wish to apply from Abu Dhabi. Okay, no issue, you can apply from any state. So we are applying from Abu Dhabi. We select the Abu Dhabi. Then again you need to provide your personal information. Okay, now here you can provide your name. Let's suppose your name, what we provide before. Okay, it will come automatically in Arabic. Then your current nationality, what is your nationality? Let's suppose I am from Pakistan, I'll provide Pakistan. Previous nationality, if you have any previous nationality you can provide, otherwise you can leave it blank, or you can select same country where you are living currently. Occupation, what is your occupation? You need to provide your occupation here. Let's suppose if you are engineer, you can provide you can write engineer here. Here's the list will come for related with the engineering field. Okay, what is your profession? You can provide. Let's suppose I will write here business. Okay, here all the searches drop down list will come. Then what is your gender, male or female? You need to select. Then your date of birth, you can provide your date of birth. Let's suppose this is my date of birth. Okay, and country of birth, you need to provide what is your country of birth. You need to write here. Then you need to provide city of birth. Provide this Karachi. It will come automatically in this Arabic format. You need to provide your passport number and passport type, ordinary passport, which city from your passport issued. Okay, country of issue, you need to provide the country of issue. Provide this Pakistan. Date of issue, on which date your passport issued. Let's suppose I will provide this. This is dummy data what I am adding in this. What is your religion? You need to provide whether you are Muslim, Christian, Hindu, or any religion you can provide here. Then you need to provide your faith, like I provide here Sunni, marital status, are you single, divorced, widowed, married, whatever you are, you can provide. I provide here married. What is your qualification? You need to provide your qualification, in which country you got your qualifications. So I am provide here Pakistan. This is all dummy data. Educational level details, like what you did in bachelor's engineering, mechanical engineering, whatever you did, you can write it down here. Like, what is your mother maiden name? You need to write down here. Visit region is automatically selected to tourism. Then again you need to provide your email address here. Okay, address inside the UAE, where you wish to live in the UAE, what, in which city, which address. You need to provide complete details here. Okay, like I am applying from Abu Dhabi, so I am selecting this Abu Dhabi. Then area, in which area you will stay. I stay in Al Hosn. Then detailed address, like XYZ, whatever is your building number, or if you are if you wish to stay in a hotel, you can provide the name of hotel. Okay, then PO box, if you have the PO box number you can provide, otherwise leave it blank. This is not mandatory. Then residential telephone number, then office telephone number, whatever is your office telephone number you can provide. Then you need to provide a mobile phone number in this format. Okay, once you provide all this detail, then you need to provide your home country's address. Where is your permanent address? You need to provide here. You need to write down in this section. Let's suppose I am living in Pakistan. Then you also can provide your mobile phone number. Okay, let's suppose if you are living in Pakistan, you can select Pakistan, or if you are living in India or Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Philippines, Australia, America, wherever you are living, you can select from this list, and then you can provide your contact number. Then you need to select check mark here, I am not a robot. After that you need to press this next button. Once you have done all your details you previously provided, after that you need to attach your documents. First of all, you need to attach a colored photograph. Colored photograph must be in a white background. Okay, from here you can check the details of what is the requirement for the photograph, biometric photograph. After that you need to attach your passport copies. All you need to attach in these sections. Then you need a medical travel insurance. You must obtain a medical travel insurance which is valid in UAE. After that you need to provide a bank statement. Which bank statement you need? It's for last 6 months. Okay, with minimum balance of 4,000 US dollar or equal to 4,000 US dollars in your home country's currency. Okay, this amount must be in your bank account. Okay, after that you need to provide this bank statement, all these documents. When you attach here, once you upload all these documents, then you need to click next. Here you can check all your data which you have provided. If everything is okay, then you need to select the next option. Once you done everything, then you need to pay this fees, visa fees. Visa fees is 651.40 AED, UAE dirhams. Okay, you need to pay this online. Then you need to select here, then you need to click here. After clicking here, this will show a small window here. You can check the final total is 660.29 AED dirhams you need to pay. Then you click here, proceed to pay. Here you can put all your credit card or bank card details. Then once you will pay this fees, you will receive an email okay, from the ICA. They will confirm, they will receive all your fees, all your documents. Then you need to wait for few days. After few days, it almost take 5 to 7 days, then they will grant you a visa. Okay, once you will get your visa, you can print that paper and you can travel to UAE. That visa will be valid for 2 months. Within 2 months you need to travel to UAE. This visa is for 5 years. For 5 years you can travel multiple times. On each of your visit, you can stay in UAE for 90 days for each year. If you wish to extend your stay for further 90 days, you need to request to ICA for further renewal. So this is all the process. If you like our videos, you need to subscribe to our channel. You must subscribe to our channel and press a bell icon for latest updates.